We begin tonight with a major milestone for the New Orleans Catholic Church. Today, a federal judge approved a plan for the Archdiocese of New Orleans to pay 600 survivors of childhood sex abuse by priests and deacons. Good evening, I'm Katie Moore.
And I'm Sharice Gibson. Though this appears the $230 million deal will actually soon grow to $305 million. That'll make it one of the largest church abuse settlements ever. WWL Chief Investigator David Hammer has been covering the clergy sex abuse crisis for years now and has the story from federal court.
After 5.5 years, a federal judge approved the Archdiocese of New Orleans bankruptcy settlement with 600 clergy abuse survivors Monday, and the relief was palpable.
This has been a long process, not only for us, but more importantly for the survivors. And our prayers go to them. We're very sorry for the experiences that they have had in the past. They're very heart-wrenching stories.
The church's $230 million deal is about to grow to $305 million, with Travelers, which insured the church in the 70s and 80s, agreeing in principle to pay $75 million today.
It's our understanding that Travelers is going to file a motion to approve the $75 million pretty quickly.
Judge Meredith Grable was moved to tears by testimony from 23 survivors who described how abuse as children with no accountability for the accuser led to a life of mistrust and misery.
I'd like them to have to answer to why.
For Tim Trahan, who first shared his story with us and our reporting partner Ramon Vargas 5 years ago.
Every day, just through self-fortitude and standing tall and speaking the truth, as I said in my statement the other day, I'm moving from being a victim to being a victor, and that's a very good feeling.
Other survivors find victory more difficult to grasp, like Linda Lee Stonebreaker.
I will, until my dying breath, be haunted by what happened to me in the front seat of Monsignor Louis LeBourgeois' car when I was 4.5 years old. That's a life sentence that I will have to endure.
Her father, Steve Stonebreaker, was an original New Orleans Saints player in 1967. Her brother, Mike, also played for the Saints in the 90s. But Linda Lee's alleged abuser didn't make the church's credibly accused pedophiles list in 2018. Then our investigation with The Guardian found the Saints executives helped the church try to manage the PR fallout and even sent emails discussing the contents of the list before its release.
It was heartbreaking. It was shattering for me to learn of their involvement.
But Amond and many survivors share a common goal: for the church to move forward stronger.
I feel like there has been like a misconception. Survivors have felt like the Catholic faithful have thought we were trying to destroy the church. And that just couldn't be further from the truth. Our goal was to rid child abuse from the church so that people can worship in peace and in confidence, and that children are protected in the church.
David Hammer, WWL, Louisiana.
The Archdiocese, its parishes, schools, and ministries are putting money into a settlement trust later this month. Then it's the job of a trustee to dole out the money, likely in the spring.